barking at your heels. They won't leave you alone. And the youngster in just his second game, Umran Malik. Big gamble for India this. The extra pace. You think the ball could fly away to the boundary, but could it be too much for Adair? He's batting number 7, 17 required from 6 balls. Over to you, youngster.
Thank you, Sonu. Yeah, good call. I think good call. This young man's playing his second game. He's got a lot of talent. If he's going to be tested, this is a good time to be tested.
Dot ball to start. Good pace. There you go. Put his front foot way outside leg stump here. Really made it difficult for himself. Ishan Kishan sprinted towards the stumps, desperate to keep Dockrell off the strike.
Yeah, smart thinking there. At least he's in the game. Good to see the youngster reading the game. He knows what's happening.
Ishan Kishan, they're just stopping Umran Malik in his run-up. Needs to change the field. Just moving deep square leg round where there are enough men inside the circle. And you see Ishan Kishan in the background still moving the field. The fielder's not paying attention. Great pace again. 2 dots in a row. This could be the difference.
Raw pace, can't beat that. And number 7, as you said, Associate Nation players batting at 7 and 8 would have not faced that kind of pace.
Would you believe it though? This is a no ball. Umran Malik has overstepped, so it's a free hit. So we go back to still 5 deliveries left, and one of them's a free hit. 16 required. Ireland, gilt-edged opportunity to try and snatch this game from India's grasp.
It tests Umran Malik now. If the pressure wasn't on, this is the time.
Oh dear. Block hole, Umran, block hole. Smashed into the gap, that's going to go for 4. The crowd roar. Just 4 deliveries remaining now. And there you go. He played and missed it too, but he got this one out of the middle all right.
Yeah, he tried it once, twice, and the third time he's got used to that pace now. And with the freedom to have a hit, with that free hit, makes the difference. They need, what, 2 hits now? We need a wicket.
Yeah, it's still 12 from 4 balls. A dot ball really puts the game in your favour. But the extra pace of Malik means that an outside edge could fly off for 4 or 6. Subdued faces on the Indian fielders. They don't want to lose this game. That man, the skipper, desperately wants to win it. Oh, and there you go. That is the one that flies away off the outside edge.
Other side of having extra pace and keeping your third man up. Because it was going to fly off anyway, whether the third man was on the boundary or not. In this case, he has enough room, edges that one, and they get closer to that total and puts a little extra pressure on this man. Has he got something special? With the pace that he's got, he's still in the game. Picks up a couple of wickets, we could win this one.
He needs to bowl at those stumps. If Adair misses, he hits. Bottom edge this time. It goes to Bubby. This game is absolutely on a knife edge. Nerves all round. The Irish crowd going bananas. Adair raises the eyes to the sky. He thinks he missed out on that one. But now Dockrell's on strike. He's got 34 from 15 so far. Ireland would prefer him to be facing a boundary from this ball. Brings it all down to the last pill. A dot ball means that India cannot lose. What has Umran Malik got? Third man and fine leg inside the circle. So he can't afford to bowl it short. Brilliant. Brilliant from Umran Malik. Oh, the ball misses for the run out though. So Ireland get the single, which means that a maximum from the last ball will win the game for them. But what a time to bowl the perfect Yorker from Umran Malik. Look at this, wide of the crease, spears it in. Very unlucky not to hit leg stump. What a time to bowl that Yorker. Now Ireland know. It's just one hit. If Umran Malik bowls another delivery like that, India have wrapped this one up. Brilliant time to bowl a Yorker under the pressure. What can Adair do? Can he finish it for Ireland? Which way is this one going to go? Smashed! But only smashed to the fielder. India win. A magnificent game. Umran Malik, relief. Relief on the face of Ishan Kishan, a kiss to the sky. Wow, what a game of cricket. Incredible fight from Ireland, chasing a mammoth 225 by the Indian team earlier, thanks to a brilliant 100 from Deepak Hooda.